Okay, I'm going to start disassembling the carburetor. So, start off by taking this boot off here, the rest of the boot. So this is a flat screwdriver. Just take it off here. Just gonna start taking things off that get in my way. Here's one. Also got that bracket right here for the carburetor. That's where that bolts onto the frame. So I'll see if I can. Yep, it should be okay to get those off. Actually, wasn't too tight. Actually, there you go. One side was a little looser. I'll have to remember to put some Loctite on that. There you go. Okay, next, let's take off the, let's go to the top and work our way down maybe. Start with this. Must be a diaphragm in there. Holy gee, doesn't look like it's been taken off ever. And that's one thing you gotta be careful with these, is not to strip screws. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I can't get it off, it's gonna strip. Yep. This ain't coming off. Okay. Start from the bottom then. Try if these will come off. Now I've noticed that it's leaking once in a while from the bottom of the bowl. I'm not too sure where it's coming from. That's something I'll have to address also. I might end up getting a carburetor kit. Yeah, these are really tight. Yeah, they're gonna strip. Okay. Next step, I'll try this. Just make sure I get a good bite. There we go. Okay, so let's start cleaning some stuff up. I'll clean this part, a little diaphragm thing. I don't want to get any cleaner on this. I'll probably eat right through it. So, oh yeah, by the way, this is the metering needle right here. So I'll push this through, get this out. Just goes right down the middle. Now I've got the clips are set already. The clip is set right here already. It looks like it's on the third line. Nope, second. So I'll have to take a look in the book to see what the settings should be for this. But let's put it away here. And I've got some, use some paper towel here. Just gonna clean this up. I don't know if that makes much of a difference or not to clean this, but probably does some sort of seal or something like that here. Let's put it back and put it in our little box here on the side there I've got set up for all my parts. So it's pretty dirty in here. I'm gonna clean that up here in a bit. And so now I'm wondering how to get. Okay, so if take a look here, this one here, that's where your main jet is, but also that's where your metering needle, this one here, goes down the middle and it comes up. This needle comes up in here. So This here is actually sort of a jet too. There's little holes inside, so I gotta push this out somehow. See if I can. Oh, there we go. It went. There we go. Let's see if I can get it out. It can be a bit of a pain to get out. You definitely don't want to shove something in there. Ah, boys, it's not easy because it goes in there pretty tight. Slowly coming. I don't know if you can see it there. I've got a lot of it out already. Right here. It's this part right in here. And I'm not too sure if you guys can see it or not, but there's tiny little holes in there. But anyway, you just push it from here. Don't shove anything down here, because you don't want to damage this. And just kind of stick your hands inside and just kind of work it down. There we go. Got it. This is what it is right here. And there's tiny little holes all around this right here. If any of those get plugged up, it won't run right. So let's put it in our little spot here, a little box. Okay, so I've got main jets out, small jets out, floats out with the needle. On top I got that diaphragm out and also pushed out the okay, so I'm looking to see if there's any other jets. I got something here. Not too sure if it comes off. Let's take a look. It's slotted for a screwdriver. Yep, that comes off. Not too sure what it does, but I'll remove it anyway. Put it in the box. The other one here doesn't seem like it comes out. It's not slotted. I've got two other ones down here. I'm not too sure what they do, but they look like they are plugs. Yeah, they don't look like they come off. This one here does have a little hole in the middle, but I don't see how it comes out. So I will just obviously leave it there and we'll just clean it out the best we can. I don't see anything else coming off. So the next step will be to clean this up. I'm not going to bother showing you guys that process. Basically all I'm going to do is spray some carburetor cleaner on it. I'll have this in a container. I don't want to film it. One of the reasons why I don't want to film it is I don't want to get any spray of this stuff on the lens of the camera. I'm pretty sure he's going to eat it. So I'm just going to pause you guys for a bit. I'm going to clean this up. I got some small brushes. I'm going to clean all the outside of the carburetor and bring you back and show you what the results are.